ordered pair. Now for the ordered pair I am going to give you a very nice example. The example which I have taken, that is from a class 11 prescribed book by the S. Chan publication. Okay. So now in the book the author has given a very nice explanation. Suppose we have to put off our shoes. It doesn't matter. It doesn't depend on any of the order which shoes we are going to put off first. Okay. Take off first. Sorry. Now it can be either for the left hand side or for the right hand side. Okay. We can take it either this shoe or that shoe. Now second thing is, now you have to put shoes with socks. Now we have to follow a particular order. What the order is? First we have to put the socks and then the shoe. Okay. So I have used the word order. That's what the topic says, that is the ordered pair. Okay. Now here I have given an example. A table is drawn, and in the table what we have mentioned? Country and currency. Now India, in the first, currency of India is rupee, then USA, currency of USA is dollar, and then England, currency of England is pound. Okay. So table is drawn, it is in the form of a pictorial. Easily we can judge it, that what it is written, and basic thing is on the top we have already given the headline, that country one side, currency another side. Okay. Now suppose I am writing this. Now I am writing this as India rupee, then USA dollar, England pound. Now just think that table is not here. Just think that table is not here. Now if I am writing in this manner, this table is not here, and I am asking you that can you find any order in this thing? So what you are going to tell, first of all you are going to read it, and then you will say, sir, there is a order. First country is written and then currency of the country is written. Okay. So this order, particular order is there. Suppose I am writing here India, then rupee, here dollar, and then USA, England and pound, then there is no specific order. Is it clear? So ordered pair means we are writing something in a pair and in a particular order. Okay. So let's go for the definition part. Now definition. An ordered pair of objects whose an ordered pair of objects whose components occur in a special order. It is in a special order. It is written by listing the two components in the specified order separating by commas and enclosing the pair in parenthesis. Okay. Now example we are writing in the order A comma B. Now, for example, if anything we have written A and B. Okay, for example, here also this is A, this is B, A, B, A, B, like this one. Okay, so in the order A comma B, A is called first component and B is called second component. So this is all about the ordered pair.